Which of the following disciplines attempts spatial synthesis? Answer is B. Geography. Expanding universe hypothesis is also known as. Answer is B. Big Bang theory. Approximately what is the age of the earth? Answer is B. 4.5 billion years. 1 minute of arc of latitude along any meridian is also known as. Answer is C. 1 nautical mile. Which among the following compound is most commonly used in the photochromic lens? Answer is B. Silver chloride. Which among the following kinds of lenses are used to treat astigmatism? Answer is D. On summer solstice, sun's rays fall perpendicular on which among the following circles? Answer is C. Tropic of Cancer. Zebrafish, which has been genetically modified in glowfish to be sold as a pet, is native to which among the following countries? Answer is A. India and Sri Lanka. Open sky policy is related to which of the following? Answer is B. Aviation. Nickel and iron are the main constituents of. Answer is A. Earth core. In which of the following situation lunar eclipse occurs? Answer is B. Earth between sun and moon. Forbidden City is located in which of the following countries? Answer is D. China. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red are the rainbow colors in which of the following order? Answer is A. Increasing wavelength. Puerto Rico Trans is located in which of the following ocean? Answer is B. Atlantic. Which of the following nations is famous among geographers as friendly island? Answer is C. Tonga. Which among the following African country has been traditionally a center of ethnic conflicts between Hutus and Tutsi ethnic groups? Answer is C. Rwanda. Which of the following country has the official name of Dhivehi Jumhuriya in its local language? Answer is A. Maldives. Which among the following is the tide of minimum rise? Answer is B. Low tide. Auckland Isthmus is located in which country? Answer is C. New Zealand. Which of the following is the largest glacier in the Alps? Answer is C. Which star is the coolest based on color? Answer is C. Red. Which among the following are inner planet? Answer is A. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Who among the following discovered the laws of planetary orbits? Answer is B. Johannes Kepler. What are the dark patches on the surface of the sun called? Answer is C. Sunspots. Which planet has the largest number of satellites? Answer is A. Saturn. Which planet is also called as the green planet? Answer is D. Uranus. Who proposed the nebular hypothesis theory of the origin of Earth? Answer is C. Laplace. Which among the following theories is not related to the origin of the moon? Binary star theory. What are the reddish loops of gas that link parts of sunspot regions are called? Answer is B. prominence. Which among the following is an asteroid as well as the dwarf planet? Answer is A. The Magellan spacecraft was sent to study which planet? Answer is D. Venus. Which among the following theories is not related to the origin of the moon? Answer is C. Binary star theory. Who published the first geologic time scale based on the type of fossil found in each era? Answer is B. John Phillips. The Cretaceous period belonged to which era? Answer is A. Mesozoic. Which currents cause the flow of the middle mantle? Answer is B. Convection current. Which among the following rocks is associated with dorm change in form? Answer is A. Metaphomic. Which among the following rock is also called as aqueous rock? Answer is B. Sedimentary rocks. Which among the following is not an intrusive igneous rock? Answer is B. Granite. What is the scientific study of earthquakes called? B. Seismology. What is the intrusive saucer-shaped or lens-shaped body called? D. Which among the following is correct about mafic lava? Answer is B. On which among the following does the erosional capacity of the river stream depend on? Answer is C. Both 1 and 2. Which among the following is not correct about longitudinal dunes? Answer is A. Which among the following is a narrow ridge of rock separating two valleys? Answer is A. Arete. Which among the following processes are involved in the formation of the cliff? Answer is D. Both 1 and 3. Which among the following is not an example of a dispatched plateau? Answer is A. Alps mountains. The features of which landform are described below? It is a landform consisting in a rock wall with a smooth transition into a concavity at the foot zone. They are formed due to weathering being more common at the rhyolite. Select the correct code from the option given below. Answer is C. Flat slope.